Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best spiral notebook with folder pockets on the market, the H4D 12 Pocket Poly Project Organizer. If you're someone who loves keeping your documents, notes, and projects organized all in one place, this product could be a game changer for you. First off, this project organizer is designed with versatility and convenience in mind. It features a durable poly material that's tear-resistant and water-resistant, making it perfect for everyday use whether you're at school, in the office, or working from home. The spiral binding allows the notebook to lay flat and stay open, so you can easily write or reference your notes without any hassle. One of the standout features of this organizer is its 12 pockets distributed across 6 dividers. Each pocket is spacious enough to hold up to 13 sheets of letter-sized documents, so you can neatly sort multiple projects or subjects without mixing things up. Whether you need to separate different classes, client files, or personal documents, this folder keeps everything in place and easily accessible. Another practical element is the clear front display cover. This allows you to customize the cover with your own sheet, helping you identify the folder at a glance. No more fumbling through stacks of notebooks. Your projects are visually organized right from the front. The inside back cover also houses a clear zipper pouch. This pouch is a thoughtful addition for storing smaller supplies like pens, sticky notes, or even USB drives, so all your essentials stay with your project folder. It's a smart way to reduce clutter and keep everything you need within arm's reach. The dimensions are designed to fit standard letter-size paper, measuring about 12 inches long by 10 inches wide, so your regular sheets slide in perfectly. The poly material used here doesn't just add durability but also gives a clean, professional look that's suitable for all ages and environments. Color-wise, the pockets come in assorted bright colors, making it easier to visually categorize different sections or simply add a bit of personality to your organizing routine. The folder is lightweight, making it easy to carry around in your backpack or work bag without adding bulk. In summary, the H4D 12 Pocket Poly Project Organizer is more than just a notebook. It's a comprehensive solution for organizing multiple projects efficiently. Its combination of durable materials, multiple pockets, and thoughtful features like the clear cover and zipper pouch make it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone looking to keep their paperwork neat and accessible. If you've been searching for a reliable and functional spiral notebook with folder pockets, this product definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.